Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on OPPO Reno10. To do this, you will need to activate your Google Assistant and also make sure that you have a voice match with Hey Google. Now, first command will be to count calories, so that you can count calories in basically any food by asking a Google Assistant for it. Hey Google, how many calories in Big Mac? Here's your answer. Next one is to translate, and that's very useful when you're traveling because your phone can translate basically any language and also speak it out loudly on using the speakers. You just need to ask your Google and then tell him to translate and add the sentence you want to translate. So for example, hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the Big Mac. So that's useful. Next one is to find your phone. So sometimes you leave your phone somewhere in your room and you can't identify where it is, and you can ask Google, where are you, or to play some music, and that way it will be easy to identify where it is. Let's try it. Hey Google, where are you? Then we have a call, so you can call basically anyone from your contacts list using Google Assistant. Hey Google, call my mom.
Alright, what's your mother's name?
And if you have that person in your contacts list, it will perform a call. Next is to send a message, and that's fairly similar to call. And you can also include what the sentence for the message. And we can go like that. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Okay, what's your mother's name?
And also replace mom with a different person from your contacts list, and he will send a message without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.